We start with the 1 hour chart. Just I want to give a quick update. If we refer to our analysis when the price was within this move, we mentioned how we can look for trade. We mentioned we're looking for buy. Either this one give us one more drop before we look for buy, or if we get any reversal from here, we can take the trade. Anyway, as what we have expected, since we mentioned we're looking for reversal, if we get this up move, and based on daily chart, the only way to look for trade based on was to trade based on this correction. Okay. And if we move to 15 minute, if we wanted to trade based on 15 minute, there was opportunity to look for trade based on this flat. Anyway, the best thing was to look for trade was this correction, because we mentioned if we want to look for reversal, we should get the sharp move and correction of lag. This is what we get. And even what we get was after the breakout of the previous stop. Anyway, if anyone get the trade, at least if they still they keep the trade, they should move their stop loss to break even. Now we move to higher time frame. As we can see, based on daily chart, we have been looking for this flat, and we were expecting the price to break the previous this top, and right now we see what we get, and this is what we have been looking for anyway. And the only thing is, if we refer to indicators, we see we have a divergence. All right, that's why we need to be quite careful, because what we get was really sharp. Right now we want to see whether we can get the correction or reversal. All right, and if I move to forward chart, even based on forward chart, we can see the divergence. That's why if we get any trade setup, if we put this one in relative to what we have here, okay? If we get any trade setup within this move, if anyone is still they keep the trade, at least they need to be aware. For continuation, we need to get the correction. But in case this one turned to a deeper correction, all right, at least they know how to manage the trade. Anyway, based on forward chart, we don't have any trade setup, and even based on 1 hour chart right now, we can look for buy. We wait for this correction. If we get any trade setup, we take the buy, but we consider as a short-term buy. All right. And how about if I move to monthly chart? As we can see, based on monthly chart, the price is almost at the top. Still, we can look for continuation. And right now, we have to wait for this correction. If we get any trade setup, we will take the trade. And any trade from now, we consider as a short term. What I mean, if we get the trade, what we're looking for the sharp move, similar to any of this. And as long as we get into the profit, we start to manage. At least move our stop loss to break even. Anyway, we're just looking at this. If we get any buy setup, we will take the trade. But right now, we don't have any trade setup yet. And having a trade above this is not a good idea. It's very risky. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.